This is how it works. If you have a 6 volt, you put it there. If you got a 12 volt, you put it there. We've got a 12 volt battery, so we want to charge it with that. And then when you come down here, you're going to see I got 2 leads. I got a hot lead and I got my neutral. And then we got to plug it in here and charge it. So that's what we're going to do right now. All right, so we got to plug it in. Number 1, bam, ready to go. I have some extra 12 volt batteries, which I think I'm going to charge them too. So here we are. This is the negative. So you put it on the black right there. And then this one is positive, and you put it on the red right there. Bam. It's funny, I'm charging this battery here, and we'll see. Right now it shows that it's blinking, so that means it isn't charged. So we'll just let that charge. Charge both of them, as a matter of fact. It's been a couple hours, and it looks like we're fully charged. We got a solid green light, so we can go ahead and take these off of here. Set them over here, and this battery's ready to go. And we can unplug this. Bam. And wrap this up and put it away until next year.